Welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the equation of a line through 2 points and how to find it. Let's get started. So to write these equations, we need two things. We need the slope, and then we need at least 1 point on that line. If we have those two things, we can write the equation. So we're going to utilize the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We're going to find the slope, and then use the point we're given to solve for b, and that's how we'll get our equation. So we will have to use the slope formula. Just a reminder, the slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where x1 and y1 are just 2 points that you've been given. So here are the steps to solve. Step number 1, determine the slope of the line through the 2 points, and you have to use the slope formula. Step number 2, plug in the slope in the point given to the slope-intercept form of the equation to solve for b. And then lastly, you can write your new equation. So let's try practice example. First, I'm going to find the slope between these 2 points. I'm going to label them. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So then my slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, that's negative 8 minus negative 5 over negative 6 minus 3. So this becomes 2 negatives turn positive, so that becomes negative 3. On the bottom, negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. This simplifies to be 1/3. So that's my m. Now using my slope-intercept form equation, I'm going to solve for the value of b. So I'm plugging what I know, which is I can use either point, 3 or negative 5 and negative 6, negative 8. I'll just use the first one. So I'm going to let this be my x and this be my y. And this right here is my m. And I fill all that in. So y is negative 5, m is 1/3, x is 3, and then I want to figure out what is b. So this becomes negative 5 equals 3 times 1/3 is 1, and then subtract 1, I see that b must be negative 6. My last step is to just write the equation, which would be y equals my slope 1/3, x minus 6, and this is my answer. Alright, that's it. Go ahead now and try some practice on your own.